app I worked on for Russell County, Kansas called Prairie-esta. It'll be live by June of 2021. Prairie-esta wanted an app that had many views, which told the user what events and what food and craft vendors that were happening each day of the event and how to locate them. This app was made with React Native and is both for the iOS and Android devices. I made the event table view cell component using constants and functions so the user would be able to know which events they wanted to go to and when the event is occurring. On this file, I made 2 separate returns, one for the iPad and one for the phone. I also did all the styling for the file. I then took this component and I used it in the schedule view so you could see how they all looked like together. I used a placeholder for it so before we got all the data. I also made the map page for the app and I used loops to mark all the events. So this loop marks all the events, and then I had a loop to give all the descriptions, and whenever they tapped on one, it would take them to that spot on the map. I then also made a vendor item cell page where the component would have all the information for each vendor and have different styles for the iPad and the phone. So here, they depends on which one they were on, which styles would show up. Then I took the vendor item cell and I put it in the vendor file and I implemented it in there. So where they could choose if they want food or craft vendors and then see all available vendors for that day. All the information so far has been placeholder database, and the actual database is going to be retrieving info from Russell County themselves.